Hello children, happy morning. This is Unit 5, Disasters and Personal Safety. What is disaster? What are the different disasters? How will you make yourself safe from the disasters? That's what we are going to see now. When nature is in harmony, everything works well. It rains the right amount during monsoons. Winds flow gently, changes are within a comfortable range. But sometimes it rains a lot, rivers can carry more than the rivers can carry, and sometimes it doesn't rain at all. Sometimes the wind can uproot trees. Sometimes what happens? The magma below the earth's surface comes out. So sometimes what happens? Due to our error, fires also happens. All these events cause great damage to life and property. These are called disasters. When nature is in harmony means everything is smoothly going, peaceful. If it is not so, then everything changes. Then that is called a disaster. A disaster is a sudden accident or a calamity that causes injury, loss of life, or great damage to property and nature. So, two types of disasters. One is naturally and one is man-made. First, we have to learn about the causes of disasters. What is the cause and how we can prevent them. This helps us to learn about, tells us what to do when a disaster happens. How we can minimize the damage. Natural disasters. Natural disasters include cyclones, floods, drought, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions. Okay, some of them. What are the causes? Bad weather due to natural activity under the earth's surface. When there is a prolonged bad weather conditions cause disasters, they are called weather related natural disaster. The study of weather, meteorology. For this reason, these disasters are also termed as meteorological disasters. It is important to learn about meteorological disasters so that we all know what to do in case one occurs. Why you should learn? What will you do if such a thing occurs? You should know how we can prevent accidents, how we can minimize the damage. Weather-related natural disasters have occurred regularly in the history. Evidence suggests that in recent times they are occurring more often than before. What is the reason for such disasters happening more often than before? Global warming. What is this global warming? You can see the red color around the earth. Yes. In recent years, burning of coal and petroleum and cutting down of trees, deforestation have increased. So due to this, Earth's temperature, what is happening to the temperature? It is becoming more and more hotter, rising every year. The planet is warming up faster than any time in known history of the Earth. This is called global warming, and it may cause changes in the weather and climate patterns across our planet. Research indicates that global warming is causing excessive rains in some and drought in others, is also causing rise in sea level. Sea level that is increasing. What will happen if the sea level is increasing? Leading to islands, lands near the sea will get submerged, go under the sea, and flooding of many coastal areas. Sea level rise, flooding occurs. Okay. To reduce the harmful effects of global warming, we must reduce the burning of fossil fuels, stop deforestation, and plant more trees. What is this fossil fuels? Fossils are dead plants and animals settled under the earth, buried under the earth, become fossil fuels from which we get petroleum. Then, first we will go to learn about cyclones. What are cyclones? When wind is low, it is very nice. Yeah, feel pleasant, cool. That is called breeze. But suddenly the wind blows very fast. What will happen? It will become dangerous. It causes destruction. Very high speed winds accompanied with rain. Very high speed winds accompanied with rain are called cyclones. Cyclone means twist in Greek. They are shaped like spirals. Can you see the shape? Yes. They normally hit coastal areas in India. What is coastal area? Areas near the sea. West Bengal, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh are prone to cyclones. That is, cyclone hit areas means it's very near the sea. Mostly the states of Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Odisha are prone to cyclones. What is the effect of cyclone? What happens? Trees get uprooted, rooftops are blown away. You can see the picture. Vehicles overturned, houses, farms, crops destroyed. Humans as well as animals' lives are lost. Electricity, telephone cables, phone lines, network towers can get damaged. So, these are the effect of what is cyclone. What is the effect of cyclone? We learned now. Okay, damage electricity, trees get uprooted by cyclones. Now, why you should learn about this effect of cyclone? So, what we have to do, what precautions we have to do, that we have to learn. How we can minimize the damage caused by cyclone. Most cyclones can now be predicted by accurate forecasting by meteorologists. Forecasting, that is, they find out when the cyclone will happen. People living in cyclone prone areas, what they should do? Houses should be built strong, well built, so that any heavy wind happens also, nothing will happen to the house. Then trees can be monitored. You have to take care of the trees. Ensure they have strong roots. All houses in cyclone prone areas must be well stocked with first aid kits. You should have first aid kits ready. Then people caught in cyclones must take shelter and listen to emergency. There is warning, emergency updates given. So people should listen to that. They should be moved to safe places. They should not step out until the local authorities say it is safe. So the government will announce, make arrangements to announce, and where they should move on to, how they should be kept in safe places. The government will decide and move them. Until then they should be safe inside. In case of cyclone, warning will be given. All vehicles should be parked under a solid shelter. So what will happen? The trees will come and fall on the vehicles. Windows and doors should be shut. First aid kit should be given and emergency announcements will be given during cyclones. In India, the Hudhud cyclone hit Andhra Pradesh in 2014. There is a case study. And the cyclone was predicted before itself. Predicted means you guess and tell what will happen in the future. That is prediction. This made it possible to evacuate thousands of people living along the coast to safer places. In spite of that, what happened? 40,000 houses were affected and 46 persons were killed and 43 injured. The next video will learn about drought.